Hello everyone, how are you all? I'm Devayan. And you are all watching Dexter Lab and Tech Solutions YouTube channel. In this video, I'm unboxing my new Lenovo small form factor CPU of specification Intel Core i5 2nd generation. 8 GB of RAM and 500 GB of hard disk drive. At an attractive price point of Rs 13,450 only from Amazon. The Rs 13,450 is the cost of the item after including the shipment costs. I would like thanks to all my YouTube family, friends, and near ones for keep supporting me in such a difficult times to grow my YouTube channel. The link to buy this product, and the detailed information with some talks are given in the description below. Please check it out. In the previous video, I have said that I am facing some technical issues have been resolved to some extent. And also telling about to bring some vlog series type videos are coming very soon. I know that it's been a long time since I uploaded the last video of unboxing of the multi-utility screwdriver set, which you all can see by clicking the I button above. I'm very sorry that I am not able to bringing new content on a regular basis as I was busy with my last year college studies pursuing electrical engineering. But now I am planned to bring new videos every Sunday at evening. For timing of new video, all should subscribe to the channel, and also press the bell icon for automatic notification. You all have been thinking that what happened to my audio voice, relax, all is well and good. I am just using the text-to-speech generator software. From now I would try to bring exciting contents full of infotainment, informative ideas, and knowledgeable videos. You all can support me for making of new projects by funding or donating some money to me by Google Pay or Paytm, link given in the description below, or typing the U.P.I. ID shown here as I am a solo YouTuber. It's your choice to give any amount, it could be more or less. Please enjoy this video, and God keep blessing you all with lots and lots of blessings. Thanks everyone for watching this video. So, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative, interesting, and innovative videos.